Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to explain to you briefly what QTS and PGCE are in the educative system in England. The QTS stands for Qualified Teacher Status. It's a qualification that enables someone to teach in public schools in England. The PGCE stands for Postgraduate Certificate in Education. It's a one-year course at university after a bachelor's degree, and during this year you have placements in school where you can have classroom practice and experience. So the PGCE, as we just saw, is a degree at university, and the QTS is more of a status that you get after a training, an initial teacher training. So it's possible to have one without the other, but generally when someone enrolls into a PGCE program or QTS, he goes for the other as well. So there are 4 routes to QTS. So to be very quick, there is the equivalence, which is for people from other countries who have teaching qualifications to be able to make it recognized in the UK and get the QTS. There's the assessment only route. This is for teachers who have experience but no teacher qualification. There is the IQTS, International QTS. This is for people who cannot travel to England to get the training done. So they do that online, and they have to do it as well through a school. And there is finally the training in the UK. So there are 2 ways for that. There is the PGCE route, as we just saw. And there is school-based training, which is that a student spends most of his week in a school. So the criteria to be able to train for the QTS are a bachelor's degree and a certain level of English and math. So in a nutshell, the QTS is a certification to teach in public schools and is recognized worldwide, very valued worldwide, and the PGCE, which is a postgraduate course in the university. Don't forget to like this video, and I see you inshallah very soon for another video. Assalamu alaikum.